What's up guys? My name is Patricia and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time that you've ever fell on any one of my videos, welcome. I'd love to see you back. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. So today I'm coming to you guys. I'm really excited to do a sort of follow-up on the bag that I purchased from DAGNE Dover, and that is the ALLYN Tote. I got the ALLYN Tote in Oxblood a few months ago actually as my current work bag. So if you didn't know, now you know. Your girl is a college professor and I was on the hunt for a new bag and decided to go with the ALLYN Tote by DAGNE Dover, and I've been really enjoying it. If you'd like to see my initial impressions and my unboxing, I'll leave that link up in the cards and down below for you guys to check out. A few of you guys requested that I share with you guys how I actually pack the bag and what I have in the bag, so that's basically what I'm going to do today. Again, the color that I got was the Oxblood color, has the gold hardware here on it. So let's go ahead and go into this bag. I will say that initially that I was afraid, one of the things that I was afraid of this bag is that it wouldn't have enough structure. And so though it is like slightly slouchy, I like the fact that you can really pack it if you need to, and it still has somewhat of a structure. And I think this sort of buckle belt situation here really helps to give this bag structure because it really cinches it here. And especially if it's so packed that it can't close necessarily, because there are magnetic tabs here on the end, but I do have it packed where it can't stay closed, which I'm fine with. This helps to give it structure and helps to keep the opening somewhat closed. This is my 13-inch MacBook Pro that I have in here, and it fits very nicely in there. It's from a few years ago, so it's super heavy. And then right next to it, it does have a pocket that you can put like documents or anything in here. It just has like this pocket right here, but I don't have anything in there right now. So just so you guys know that. On this other side, I do have this portfolio. I got this from Amazon, and it's just a place where I can jot down some notes. So oftentimes if I'm in a faculty meeting or something like that, and I just want to jot some notes down from the meeting, I can use this notepad in here to do so. It also has a little folder area where you can put some documents in there if there's some like printouts or something that I want to hold on to before I file them away in my office. And there's a pocket right here and a few right here that you can put some pens in if you'd like. And so I really like this. It's just a cream color. You can put some business cards. You can put some business cards here. So yeah, I really like the quality of this. So if you guys want something nice that you can walk into meetings with that looks professional, I highly suggest it. The next thing, let's see, is the key clay here, where you can put your keys on. I don't have my keys on it right now, but I do use this and I really like it. I always know where my keys are and I really like that. So if the bag is packed, all you have to do is pull on this tab and then out comes your keys. So I really like that because I have like the keys to my office and the keys to my car and everything that I really need easy access to. So I really like having this right here that makes my keys super accessible, because I am the type that will lose my keys. The next thing is this right here, which is one of the pouches or I think I just have two in this bag. One of the pouches that I have in this bag, and this is from DAGNE Dover. This is their Lola pouch, and it is in the Oxblood color, so it matches the bag with the gold hardware. And if you'd like to know what I keep in this bag, then go ahead and check out the link above, and I'll also link it below. And it's basically just like my essential daily things. I love how you can just hold it up here just like that, and has the same soft beautiful leather on the pouch as well. Next thing here is this Coach wallet that I'm carrying that has like my money and my cards in them, so that I don't have to carry like my purse when I go to work. When I go to work, my work bag is my purse. I don't carry anything else with me, so I just tend to grab my wallet or the wallet that I'm using out of the bag that I'm using, or the purse that I'm using, handbag that I'm using, and then I put it in my work bag so that I have my wallet and everything that I need. So it's just a regular fold over wallet that my husband gave me a little while ago. And yeah, it's like this camel color, really pretty, really functional. It's large, but sometimes I like a large wallet. For the most part, I tend to lean towards smaller wallets on the weekends, but on the weekdays where I want everything with me, I will use a larger wallet. The next thing, let's just go ahead and go over to this cosmetic case really that I have here from Coach. I really like this one. I have this one and the color kind of goes well with the oxblood, so I figured I'd go ahead and use this in this bag. And this is just like my makeup touch-up stuff, you know. So if during the day, let me turn this mirror over. So if during the day I need to just touch up my makeup, this is what I use. So let me just go over really quickly what is in here, because I don't have a video on this. I have a mirror here from Derma E that I got in one of their like the PR packages that they sent to me, so I put that in there. I have a mascara here from Essence. It's called Get Big Lash. I have a concealer here from ELF. And then I have just a little bit of perfume. This one is by Versace Parfum. It's called Dylan Blue. I really like this. It's very aquatic, very fresh, just a good perfume that layers well. And it's just a really nice thing to just throw on if you just want to smell good. You're about to walk into a meeting or about to walk into class and just want like a touch up, just something, you know, fresh to kind of throw on. This is really good for that. What else? I have a lipstick in here from, I think this is what, Elizabeth Arden, and this is a very like neutral taupey, pinky, brownie, terracotta. I think I just named every color. Lipstick, so I really like that. I like it because it's something I don't need a lip liner with. So if I need a touch up of lipstick after having lunch, this is the one that I will tend to go with. And also it layers really well too. So if I still have residual lipstick from what, I'm chasing the cap here. So if I have residual lipstick on my lips from whatever color I was wearing earlier on in that day, I can layer this on top of it. So there's that. What else? I have a lip gloss, a mini lip gloss from Buxom. I really, really love their lip glosses. I have a lip liner here from, what is this? Is this Nika K? What is this? It's One and Only. The color is called Muted Brown. Probably just like a beauty supply store lip pencil that I got. And then a lip gloss. I think this one's from Victoria's Secret. Just a regular, it's pink in the tube, but it's like slightly pink once you put it on your lips. So if I want a little lip gloss, I have an eyeliner here, a mini eyeliner from Stila if I need to touch up on it, and it's the Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. So I'll throw that on if I need an eyeliner refresh, and then just a little clip also is in here if I just need to clip my hair back or something like that. So those are the things that I bring with me just to kind of touch up my makeup should I need to. Y'all already know I like to do my makeup so that is plastered on, is not going anywhere, just in case I tear up or my eyes do sometimes get watery. So if I mess up my concealer that's under my eyes or I need more eyeliner, I will go ahead and reach for this. Let's go this way. So there's this little pocket right here on the DAGNE Dover bag that you can stuff things in. So I'll just show you what I have in there. I have these alcohol wipes in here. I got this, this college that I work for gave us wellness bags when we came back to work so that we can pick up. And it had like a bunch of hand sanitizer, it had these alcohol wipes, it had a lot of things just to keep us clean, safe. This is one of the things that they gave us, so I was like, oh, this is really great that I can wipe down services really quick, so I can make sure at least my area, if I'm sitting down in a meeting or something like that, I can know that my area is clean. So these are alcohol wipes, so something like a wet ones or something like that. And so yeah, I keep this in there. I also have my poopery in here. Yeah, y'all, if you just need to listen, it happens, you know what I'm saying? If you are have an emergency or something like that at work, what this is you spray before you go, then you go, and everything smells like apples, spiced apples. So yeah, I take this with me as well. And then the other thing that is in here are a pair of headphones from like just Apple headphones. So there's that. And then the last thing I have, oh no, damn, I didn't know I had this in here. I have some batteries in here. I don't know why that's in there, but I guess one day I'm gonna need batteries. And then the last thing is this little dust bag that they give you so that you could put like shoes. So if I wear heels and I want to change to flats later on, I can put my heels in this bag and then put it in my bag without like messing up, you know, everything that's in here. So on this side, I have my coffee mug from Starbucks coffee mug right here. I really like it. It's pretty. It's like this red color, slightly off from like the bag's color. It has this pretty sequence thing, and then it kind of ombres to just a solid dark red color. So it's really nice, and it helps to keep my coffee or my tea nice and warm. One of the cons to this bag is this holder for the your mug, is that it clips at the top. So actually that's a good thing that it's removable, but it only clips in one area, so you can literally pick it up off of the bag. And I just feel like it's super unstable in there. Kind of makes me nervous a little bit having this in there. I just wish that it was connected to the bag, or at least it buckled in one other area so that it was more stable. But honestly, when everything is packed, it'll stay in place. It's just like when you don't have as many things in your bag, and I don't know, I still kind of worry. So that's the only thing. And on this side of the bag, I typically keep my phone right here, but I'm using my phone to record right now. And on this side, there's another pocket here that I have a highlighter in. And then this is a permanent marker right here, and then a pen in these two slots right here. And then hooked onto the bag on the inside, I just have some hand sanitizer right here, because that's really important to keep your hands nice and clean, preferably with soap and water. But when soap and water is not available, then I want to make sure that I have my hand sanitizer that I'm able to use. So yeah, just to show you, I was talking about the mug, like when the bag is packed, you really don't worry about this moving. It's just like when you don't have all this stuff in it, it kind of makes me worry about this mug that's right here. It's a really strong magnet on there, as you guys could hear. There is a pocket back there. Sometimes I put my phone back there if I'm just trying to like, you know, quickly put my phone away without like opening the bag. I will put it back there as well. I just want to say I've been really enjoying it. As you guys know already, life has been crazy, and my work situation has definitely changed in the last few months. So I was able to use this bag for about maybe a month or so straight before life began to change. And as you guys know, we are wrapping the summer up here soon, and a new semester is going to start. And so the particular college where I work, we're going to do a sort of hybrid situation. And so I will be going in to work from time to time, so that I will have even more use of the bag. But so far, I really, really like it. It's so comfortable, to where the leather is just so soft, but at the same time it still looks very classy, very professional, and still put together. It carries so much. It keeps me nice and organized. I love all the pockets that it has available in there, and I just really enjoyed the bag, and I thought it was a really, really good purchase. So if you're interested in purchasing the bag because you like the bag, then you can use, I do have a 10% code if it's the first time that you've purchased from DAGNE Dover. I'll leave that down below. And also, if you are a teacher like I am, or if you're in the military, there is, I believe, a 20% discount, 20 or 25% discount on this bag. So I'll leave the information for that also down below, so that you're able to make your purchase and use the discount and purchase this. They also have a ton of other bags. By the way, guys, this is not sponsored. I just really like this bag, and I did a lot of research on, you know, sort of the best work bags that are out there that have compartments and things, and this is the one that I felt would work best for me in my work environment. There are tons of other bags on their website. There are wallets and pouches and diaper bags and backpacks and a bunch of other things. So definitely go ahead and visit their website if you're interested or in the market for a new bag. So yeah, guys, that's all I had to share with you guys for today. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time with another one. And as always, God bless.